Hello, my name is Jose with Garage Gurus, and today we're working on a Toyota Camry hybrid. So we're going to do a inner tie rod end replacement. But before we do that, we have two products here on the bench that we want to do a side-by-side comparison. So in the bench we have Beck and Arnley tie rod end, and we have another manufacturer, another brand here that we want to look at and see what the differences are in this product. So in this case, right off the bat, we can see that the Beck and Arnley product comes already pre-greased. So one of the things that is really important is to put the right amount of grease. In this case, it already has it, so we don't have to worry about either putting too much or not enough grease in this joint. Now, one of the other things that we can see as far as the body itself is pretty balanced. It is well structured, and we also have an OE style jam nut. Now, when we put them side to side, we can see a lot of differences right away. One of the things that we can see when it comes to this joint right here, it doesn't have any grease. They do give us a grease pack, but a lot of the times we don't know what the right amount is for this joint. Maybe it is the right amount, so we don't know about that. And also, its side-by-side comparison is not as balanced or structured as the Beck and Arnley. Also, the jam nut is not the OE style, as big as the one from Beck and Arnley. So those are the big differences that we have between this manufacturer and the Beck and Arnley inner tie rod end. One of the other things that comes to mind right away is that when we actually do this repair, we have to remove the dust boot. So in this case, Beck and Arnley includes also the dust boot, which a lot of the times when we're working on these vehicles, they are damaged already because of the amount of miles that they have. Or a lot of times when we do repairs on these vehicles, they also come in because they go through accidents. And when they go through accidents, the dust boot also becomes damaged. So it comes with the boot, and it comes with a couple clamps, the universal clamps ready to do the job, so you don't lose any time. As you can see here, we have another dust boot here. This is an OE supplier. We actually bought it from the dealership because we could not find it for this vehicle. So that's the drawback. Beck and Arnley includes everything in the box. If we cannot get a dust boot, then that makes the job harder, especially when it's damaged, because this will protect the joint from dust and also contamination as well. Again, with Garage Gurus, Jose Vasquez. For more information about Beck and Arnley products, please go to beckandarnley.com.